Okay guys, you can see the water spewing out there. I've pressured the lines, and this is what it's showing. So while it's doing that, I'm going to cut that right there where that leak is, and then go on both sides of it and put a shark bite on there. Always keep these 1/2 inch couplings and your 3/4 inch. Keep you a little stash. You get to hunting camp and this happens, and it will, then you'll be ready. So you can see what I'm going to do here. You got your tool and I've disinfected this, so like, why bother? I'm going to cut in a circular motion here to square that end up. As you can see where it'll expand before it busts, so you got to get that out of there. Not the easiest place to want to get to, but we're going to make it happen here. What I'm going to do now is basically put that on and then squeeze it together with both hands. But I'm also going to make sure this end here is going to try to center itself, but I'll stick my finger in here and pull it out, and it'll hold for a second, long enough for me to clamp it together with both hands. I'm filming this myself where I would show that to you. With any luck, I'll get this done and I'll be able to go hunting here shortly. So we're going to turn the water back on. I'm under here. It looks well attached, so right now we got water. I hope that helps you guys. Just always keep a scrounge pack at deer camp and one in your vehicle if you can. Basically 1/2 by 1/2, 3/4 by 1/2, and 3/4 by 3/4. Thanks for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing.